Hi, welcome to ISC West 2019. My name is Paul Ragusa. I'm the editor of Security Systems News. I'm very excited to have Eli Gorovici. He is the GM of Access Control and Video Solutions for JCI. Hey, Eli, nice to see you.
Good afternoon. Hi,
Thanks
Paul.
for joining me.
Thank you.
So this is always a great show to go to, right? It's a lot of good stuff going on here, big trends. What are some of the big trends that you're seeing? I know cloud is a big one. Maybe we could start there.
So first of all, it's a great show. Good to see you again. It's a great show. A lot of people, a lot of visitors, a lot of technology, a lot of innovation. I think the two biggest things we've seen is obviously artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, cloud, cyber, which again in line with what we do and what the market is going.
Yeah, and what in terms of cloud, what does that mean for you, especially in the access control world?
That's a great question. So we see cloud as a very critical technology. We believe our market is moving to cloud.
Absolutely.
It may take a year, 2, 5. We don't know. We can't predict it, but we know it's going there. And for us, first of all, we unified our offering. We unified the team for video and access control. So everything we talk today has both video and access, because we see our customer asking more and more to unify the solution.
It's so true.
So the cloud for us is not the cloud, at least in my opinion. The importance of the cloud is enabling technology.
Right.
Cloud will enable
a
lot of things to do, and it's going to reduce the cost of installation. It's going to create a lot of scalability, a lot of cost reduction to the customer, and that's why I think the cloud will be important. It's not about the cloud by itself. I don't think customers care if it's cloud or not. What the cloud will enable is very important.
All right, so another, one of the buzzwords today, and you hear about it everywhere you go, is AI, machine learning. The big question is, where are we in reality with what we can do with that, and especially in your world of access control video?
So it's a great question, and if you go to our booth, you'll see half of our booth is around AI, machine learning. The technology is here, technology is available. This is not a future. And we really, we have a whole growth pillar around AI, which we actually call automation. We don't call it AI because, again, like cloud, the technology itself is not important. What's important is what it does. And what AI will allow our customers to do is automate a lot of the processes they do today. That's the power of AI. If we give you some example of things we do, frictionless access control. The AI will enable us to use camera at the door and open the door based on our face and not based on a card. We have application like in retail, repeat offenders, where somebody is a known offender, he comes to the store, the AI will immediately alert the store that there's a repeat offender. So these are real use cases that will help automate our customer work and everyday business.
Right, and because so often today, I think AI is kind of overpromised, just to use it as a buzzword. Are you seeing that as well?
Yeah, I think everybody's using AI everywhere you go, everywhere you do.
I know, right?
But again, if you focus on specific use case of how to automate the customer use, the technology is here. Absolutely, it's here. We see it. We're installing it. We're piloting with customers. We see the immediate value and ROI for the customer.
Yeah.
This is not some fancy features of AI.
Or sci-fi.
This is about
or something,
exactly. This is about how to automate the customer. And we have retail example, we have stadium examples, we have building examples, and which are installed and are utilized not because it's AI, because it's bringing real benefit.
Right, and your customers want to see that. They want to see practical applications.
Yeah, absolutely.
How am I going to be able to leverage this and get a return on investment even,
We can show many examples. GDPR, major issue, and again, AI allow us to cover something that are not allowed by GDPR, security. So AI really is such enabling technology today, specifically for video. We also see it in access control. We have customers with hundreds of thousands of alarms a day, and they can't really manage it because nobody can manage it. And we've piloted with customer. We enable reduction of alarms on sites by 70, 80, and sometimes 90%.
Wow.
That's how powerful it is. And again, it's all going back to automate the process. So instead of basically ignoring the thousands of alarms. I'm going to look on 10-20% of the alarm that are actually real alarm and use them versus just have 100,000. So this is the power of AI. It's not about the AI. It's about how it's going to help the businesses work better and respond better to security.
Yeah, and I have to say, it's one of the clearest definitions I've heard, or the way you explained it, I think is great, because so often it's couched in kind of what it can do, or and you get into the whole sci-fi side of things. But to bring it back down to reality is really what we need to do in the industry.
Absolutely.
And you just did that really well.
Yeah,
now, this is another one of those topics that's just been on top of everyone's mind the past few years. Cybersecurity, you can't get around it. It's a reality today.
Absolutely.
So how is JCI dealing with this?
We're taking it. This is probably our number one priority.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I said phase one is protecting our products.
Yeah.
Be very cyber secure. It's we have a very very important customer. We can't jeopardize their cyber with our product. So the phase one is obviously protecting it very well. It's a number one priority. We will never release any product which you're not 100% sure it's cyber protected.
Yeah, harden that right away.
But we are taking to the next step, because what we see, again, talking to our customers, that they need help. Our video, our access is not the only thing they have on site. So we're bringing them tools, how to monitor 24 hours their cyber, how to see if things change, because we may sell a product, install it, and it's going to be perfect, and in 12 months something will happen on site. Somebody's going to change the password, somebody's going to open a port, nothing to do with us, but it's going to jeopardize the system, and it jeopardize the customer. So we're taking to the next step where we say we're going to help you monitor your site 24/7, making sure that nothing gets changed and you're on top of everything. So like I said, this is number one priority in our strategy to make sure our customers are secured.
Yeah, it's good that you're doing that. And then you mentioned, the hardening of the products, making sure everything is locked down. Since we're on the topic of products, what's kind of the roadmap looking into the future? Where do you see JCI on the product side? Where are you looking?
We're decided to lead in technology. This is a strategic decision. We're doubling down technology. We used to have video team, access control team. We have leading product. You guys know Software House, Exact.
Yeah.
Leading product in the market in video and access control.
Absolutely.
But we know it's not enough. So on top of the video product, the access product, we've built now an AI team. So we have a whole AI team based in Israel and in India. We've built a cloud team, which is based in the United States. We've built a cyber team. So these teams are going across all our product lines, but these are separate team, huge investment. Where we decided strategically we're gonna lead with technology. And again, if you have a chance to stop in our booth, you'll see amazing thing already, and it's more coming, I promise you.
No, that's great to hear. I love the strategy. And then last question, what's your take on the show? How's the traffic been at the booth?
So it's been a great show for us. I can tell you that I haven't been walking around yet. Hopefully I'll do it tomorrow. But the traffic has been amazing. I've been in previous ISC shows. I don't remember this kind of traffic. So
yeah, I agree. It's been real buzz.
The number of people, the quality of questions, the understanding of the challenge of cyber, AI, cloud. So we feel very, very good. And again, it fits very well in our strategy. So.
Yeah, well, Eli, I look forward to working with you this year, and thanks
for
spending some time with me. I appreciate it.
Thank you for having me here.
Okay.